Hello, I'm Sean from Come Along with Sean, and today we'll be reviewing Yoshi's Adventure. You can find this ride in Universal Epic Universe in the Super Nintendo World section of the park. This ride is a slow-moving dark ride with outdoor and indoor scenes. During the ride, you see Baby Yoshi's, Captain Toad, Poochie Yoshi's sidekick, and you see Baby Mario, Baby Princess Peach, and a condor, which is a bird from Yoshi's Island. And you get some awesome views of Super Nintendo World. On the ride, there's 3 different colored egg buttons that you press when you see the eggs. If you see the eggs and press the button, you win coins. It's like you're in a video game and you're earning points as you go along. The queue is super detailed with bright and cheery colors. The queue is like a Yoshi's Island theme. You see trees with apples. You see Toadette on a screen in a house. It was a fun, relaxing ride. A cute ride. It reminds me of a combination of the People Mover and the train ride in Seuss Landing. I give this a 10 out of 10 Sean's. Would you ride Yoshi's Adventure? Let me know in the comments down below. This has been Sean from Come Along with Sean. See ya soon. And I want to give a quick shout out to Jayson at Epic Universe who helped me ride this ride. Thanks, Jayson. You're awesome.